In this tutorial, we will cover how to complete student checklist form 1A for a team of students. Teams of students entering the science fairs can be a maximum of 3 students with a minimum of 2. All students have to place their names on the first lines, their grade, home address, city, state, zip code, telephone, and email address. Teacher name and email address would be Boston Public Schools email addresses for the Boston Public School teacher helping the student with the project, and the teacher's names, one would assume, would be the same if the teacher was supervising the team of students. Project title, and this is very similar to the individual form in that it's asking if this is a continuation from a previous year's work. If it is, you tick this box. The student does not need to submit all of the forms from the previous year's project, but they do have to submit the abstract and the research plan. The student will also be required to explain how the project is new and different from the previous years, and they will do that on continuation research progression form number 7. The project can be a continuation of the work started the year prior, but it has to be distinctly different. In number 2, they're asking for the start date of the laboratory experiment and data collection. This start date should be the first date entered in the scientific notebook. The end date should be the last date of experimentation that's entered in the scientific notebook. Number 3 is asking where the students are conducting the experimentation. Students can check more than one location. It could be school and home, or it could be exclusively a research institution, but one of the boxes or many or more have to be checked. And number 4, we're asking for the student to list the name, address, and phone number of all the work sites other than school and home. If you're having any questions or concerns about a field site and how to record that in number 4, please feel free to reach out to the Boston Public Schools Science Department and we'll support you in answering that question. Number 5 is asking if the student has completed the research plan and post-project summary following the research plan and post-project summary instructions that have been provided on the MSSEF website, and these should be then attached to this form. And number 6 is asking if the student has completed the abstract, and the abstract is required for all projects after they've completed experimentation. And that's how you complete Form 1A for a team project.